Hi YouTube. Right, this is Billy Ball's 360 FM. So it's got the stealth front on it. So it's just got like FM and then the dots was to try and cod people, and it has the 2781 stamp on it. Yeah, so let's get the lid off and have a gawk inside and see what's going on. Okay, so we have an EEPROM in here. We have a 6-position band switch, I think. And outside of that, looks okay. You see the remnants of the wire for the Roger beep down there. Just left dangling there, the bare wires. We'll have to fix that. No protection diode. Okay, so let's put it on the dummy load and hook it up to the counter and see what it's doing frequency wise. Okay, so we have it on the dummy load and we've the counter hooked up to the output, so we'll drop this right back. 26, we'll go to channel 1. So the first position is 26341 to 26504 on channel 40 of that band. So we go up to the next one, channel 1, 26515 26954. We go up to the next click, which is at the low, I think. You see, channel 1, 26965, so that's mid-band. So this should be 405, which it is. She's a little off frequency, but we can fix that. So the next one should be 415. Okay. 855. Another one. Channel 1. 865. So this should go to 28305. Which it does not. She's out of lock. Okay, so it goes up to 28215. Okay, 28225. So it goes up as far as channel 32 on that band, and it goes out of lock. We might be able to tweak the VCO, but there's not really much point, to be honest, because you're not going to be up there anyway. So we have another click, so I'm guessing that that's UK FM. So let's see, channel 19, 7804. She's a bit off, so that needs adjustment as well. It's actually a mile off. That should be 78125. Okay. I notice here we have a bad segment in the display. Meter works fine. Knobs are in good condition. He wants it blue, so we can do that. As I said, internally it looks pretty good. Nothing to worry about. Nothing getting hot. Yeah. So good, do all the cosmetic stuff, the LEDs, and give it a right good tune up then. And we should be good. So we have it stripped here now. And just looking, see one of the threaded inserts here is missing at the back for the the case. Everything else looks okay, so we're gonna do all the blue shit to this. That's what the man wants, that's what the man will get. And it'll be grand. Let's have a look at this side. What have we got? Oh dear. Like, you know, I really don't agree with this, like. I really don't. She burnt the trace here. It's very common for this trace to burn here around this screw. So it's been heavily beefed up with a piece of coax. The inside of a piece of RG58 or similar. And yeah. Okay. You can see we have a bad display. Need to, is it notched? Yeah, it needs to be de-notched. We need to find out what in the name of God this is doing. It's like it's turning it into PA mode or something. So we'll have to undo that. We'll make this into our beep on and off. And go from there. Oh, is the beep hardwired, I wonder? Probably is. There we go. Oh, there's no beep at all. Random. So the beep's been disabled altogether. So we'll have to see, can we get that back? Depending on what way this is done. There's the trimmer there for the UK40. Down there. Hanging in midair. See all the diodes then. For the super low to super high. It's a mod I never agreed with, really. As you're asking the radio to do twice the bandwidth it's supposed to do. Yes, it will do it, but it will be deaf at either end. So, what's the point? Low, mid and high is where these things are, you know, like mid and high really, let's be honest about. Channel 38 lower to hear the Americans and channel 12 on high band to hear the 555, so. Oh, we're missing a screw here. The plastic screw on this regulator here, so we'll have to replace that. And yeah, we'll see what's going on with the beep. The remnants of the wire is there, so we'll just put in a new one and see where we go from there. Okay, I suppose first job is the display. Get that changed. Okay, so since we saw you last, we have the offsets done, and we have all the LEDs and all the two color stuff done. So 2 color meter and red, blue, TXRX light, red or blue display, and the LEDs for backlighting the switches. So we're hooked on to test point 3. We're on AM 490, 4925 for upper sideband, 4875 for lower sideband. You see our clarifier there is bang on 12 o'clock. So we'll just flip over now to transmit frequency now. Right, so we're hooked on, and we're on mid-band channel 19, so 27185, 27150, and then if we flick the mode switch, or the band switch, all the way around, that brings us to UKFM, and that's as close as I can get it. There's no more adjustment on the trimmer, so it's close enough. for UK FM. So just that is the way some of them are. You can never get them to go past 27.7812 for some reason. You just run out of adjustment there, and the trimmer is maxed out, so I can't get any more out of it. But yeah, we have the face here. We have the decal on, Cobra 148 GTL-DX. We did have the 360 ones, but I wasn't happy with how they went on. I actually ended up using the two of them, and I still wasn't happy, so I decided, I went in and I went through my pile of decals I have, and I had this one, so we can use that. So I just put it on there now and let you see what it looks like. So there you are, that's it on. You can see the backlit switches there. Still have to do the film window for the channel display, so we'll get that done shortly. And you know, the meter always looks better when you have the face on, of course. So yeah, it's getting there, almost done. Just a couple other little bits and pieces to do, and then we can button her up. So there is the finished article, and ooh, wrong way. Came out pretty nice and clean. Secret sauce, new case screws, stainless steel Torx heads, fully tuned. Went through it from bumper to bumper, and came out pretty nice. Had it on a live stream there for a while earlier on, so the stateside stuff was banging in on 38 lower. So that's it, Billy B. She's all done. Ready to go home. Get you in the next one.